Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Ope, and on my channel here I dish out natural hair care and good secrets, as well as serve beautiful styles great for natural hair. Why don't you hit that subscribe button right now and join the fam, as well as click that notification button so you never miss a video. In this video, I'll be showing you how I make rice water for hair growth and how I use it in my wash day routines and in my basic hair care regimen. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So to make the rice water, we'll be needing a bowl, some rice. I used 1 cup of rice and some clean water. For the purpose of this video, I used 1 cup of rice, but you can use as many as you want depending on what you are trying to achieve. So the first thing I do is to rinse the rice. I do this because you don't want to have any quote and unquote impurities in the rice or the water when you use it. So I do this to remove the weevils, any strands of God knows what's in it. I wouldn't say you should rinse too thoroughly, but I would say you should rinse as many times as it takes to get the dirt out of the rice. So as you can see, there's no more dirt in the water, which means there's no more dirt in the rice. And then it's time to make the rice water. So I like to pour my water about double the size, or is it volume, of the rice. So I get the water to where my rice water is, and then I pour a bit more above the rice water. So I find this to be my best method, honestly. And I've heard a few people say they put orange peels in the water to get rid of the stench, because rice water does stink a lot. I haven't tried that, but if you'd like to see me try that, just let me know down in the comments. Once I'm done adding the water, I cover my rice water and I store it in a safe, dry place. It's best to cover just to make sure air doesn't get in and ruin your water. And I am back. This is 1 week later. I have never actually kept my rice water this long, but I wanted to see if it would make a difference. I usually keep my rice water for 24 hours or overnight. I could make the rice water a night before and then use it the following afternoon or evening. So yeah, that's what I usually do. So I noticed a difference immediately. It was definitely more fermented. The stench was definitely more. Then they had these little white things on top, and I'm guessing that was part of the fermentation process. So I removed that, and I usually mix my water. Once I open it, I mix it together just to make sure the water has everything that it needs to from the rice. So the first thing I do is transfer the water from the rice to another bowl without actually transferring the rice, and then I rinse the rice again with water, clean water, and I did this off camera. I rinse it again and then I add that to the water, and then I get rid of the rice. I throw it away. Actually, it's useless. You can't do anything with the rice anymore. Once I'm sure I've gotten all the nutrients out of the water, I pour the water into the original bowl. I do this just to make sure I'm not adding any rice into the mixture. Once I am done with that, I take my spray bottle, and if you are interested in getting this spray bottle, I'll be leaving the link down below to where you can get it. I transfer my rice water to the spray bottle. You can use a funnel to do this, but I just prefer using the bowl, especially this bowl, because it's really flexible. I do not fill the rice water to the top of the spray bottle because I am going to dilute the rice water with some clean water. Why do I do this? It's because rice water is very potent, and using it directly on your scalp without diluting it could lead to dry and itchy scalp. So it's best to dilute your water before using it. And this is especially true for the methods in which I used my rice water. So I like to fill the rest of the spray bottle with water. I don't have any accurate measurements, I just eyeball it basically. I usually close my rice water and store it in the fridge. I would not advise you leave the rice water out because the longer it's outside, the more it ferments and the more potent it gets. So it's time for application. I will be taking down this old style. I have a full tutorial of this style on my channel and it will be linked down below if you'd like to see that. So I usually use the rice water for my pre-poo with any oil of my choice, and I show that in my full wash day routine video, which I'll also be leaving down in the description. I also use rice water during my deep conditioning process, and I have a video on how I use my rice water for my deep conditioner, as well as a DIY deep conditioner which is perfect for these stay at home times, and I'll also be leaving a link to that down in the description box. So since it's not time for my wash day, but I really wanted to show you this method of making my rice water, I decided to just show you how I use the rice water in my moisturizing routine. So I'll be using the rice water, my leave-in conditioner, and my Shandy Naturals chili butter, as well as the Jamaican black castor oil for this process. So I'll be moisturizing my hair in sections, and if you watch my channel, you know I love to do my hair in sections. So I would not be detailing my moisturizing process because I already have a video on how I moisturize my hair before styling, and I'll be leaving that down in the description box as well. Once my hair is sectioned, it is time to use my rice water, and I just want to say it stinks. It really stinks, y'all. It really stinks. So if you'd like to see that video with the orange peels, just let me know down in the comment section. Just let me know. So let's talk benefits of rice water. Rice water detangles the hair, and one thing I have observed from using rice water is that it literally melts the knots in my hair and just makes it easier, way easier to detangle and run my hand through my hair, as you can see me doing here. Rice water also makes your hair smooth. It increases the shine of your hair. It improves the appearance of your hair. It makes your hair stronger by straightening the strands of your hair. It stimulates hair growth and removes dandruff. Rice water is rich in minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants, which all work together to promote your hair growth and also make your hair strands stronger. Rice water is also rich in amino acids, and it contains inositol, which repairs damaged hair. As I said earlier, rice water just makes it way easier for me to detangle. My comb would normally run through my hair without any snags, but I have split ends right now and that just makes it way harder. I have been thinking of doing a video on how to trim your hair at home, and if you are interested in that, please just let me know down in the comment section. So as I said before, rice water does help detangle your hair, and as I said, literally melt your knots. So if I ever find while I'm detangling my hair that a bit is knotted, I just take a little bit of rice water and spray it directly, and it detangles easily. So far in my natural hair journey, I've been using rice water for about 2 years, and I can definitely say that I have seen a difference. My growth did begin when I started using rice water, or I started noticing more growth when I started using rice water. So for some of my observations while using rice water is very potent. So if you do not dilute it properly, it will dry out your scalp and ends. So make sure you properly dilute, as well as moisturize your hair and of course your scalp. So rice water also smells really bad, but the smell doesn't last long in your hair when you leave it in. So if you are someone who is sensitive to smell, I would advise you either use the orange peel method, get some essential oils and add it to your rice water, or you get a leave-in conditioner which also has a very strong aroma or a sweet scent. And I would recommend Kuza, which I used for my leave-in conditioner in this video, as well as Beautiful Textures. Cantu isn't bad, but it doesn't have a strong scent like the others do. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please do subscribe, click that notification button, like, and of course follow my social medias. Bye.